Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need the app, a sign-in, and file access. Open Excel and pick a template or blank workbook. This saves you setup time. Once done, grant storage and cloud permissions so files sync automatically. Make sure to set screen orientation and zoom to see rows and columns clearly. You'll work faster if you pin a frequently used sheet to recent files. Now, create a simple header row and freeze it so headings stay visible while you scroll. You'll enter data by tapping cells and using the formula bar for precision. Once entered, use autofill or the drag handle to repeat patterns quickly. This saves time over manual typing. For calculations, start with equals, then choose SUM or average, and use IF for simple logic. Make sure to format columns for numbers, dates, or currency so results display correctly. If you need multiple sheets, add tabs and reference them with Finish by checking autosave and sharing your file. You can export to XLSX or PDF, or send a sharing link so collaborators view or edit. Before sending, protect sensitive cells and verify formulas to avoid hash value or hash ref errors. Correct ranges and data types first. If something breaks, try clearing the app cache, updating Excel, or closing and reopening the file to force a resync. If sync still fails, toggle cloud permissions and re-sign into your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.